Konnichiwa minasan. In this video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to download your mobile Suica app on your phone. First, you go to App Store, search in Suica. Once you have downloaded the app, it will automatically open the application. Click on Suica Hako. Next, click on Issuance Procedure. Next, click on Membership Registration. Click on Accept. Type in your email address. Type in your password. Retype your password. Type in the name of your card. Next, you'll have to register your basic information, which is your last name, your first name. In this part, you have to retype your last name, retype your first name, select your birth month, birth date, and birth year. In this part, you have to select female or male. In this part, you'll have to key in your zip code. Next, enter your mobile number. Next, you have to select your secret question, which is in this case, what is your favorite transportation? In this case, you have to key in the answer. In this case, I select Densha, which is train. Next, you have to select the charge amount and the payment method. Next, you will see the available balance and the name of your card. Next, you'll see the terms and conditions and then agree. Click on Next and it will add to your Apple Wallet. Next, you'll see the Suica has been successfully registered. And voila! There is your card! Congratulations! So yes, that's all actually for this video. And I hope you like this video and I hope it helped you register your mobile Suica app on your phone. And I'll see you in my next video. See ya!